What is a run-on sentence? Well, it's a sentence that does exactly what it says it does. It runs on and 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 on. If we're going to get technical about it, a run-on sentence is two or more sentences, okay, that are joined incorrectly. Sad face. In the English language, we don't like run-ons. We don't like them because they make our writing difficult to understand. For example, take a look at this below. Sally and Michael went to the store. They bought several items. When it was time to leave, a giant gorilla jumped in front of their cashier and started to moonwalk all over the counters. They laughed so much they almost peed their pants. Let's take a look at the exact same sentence, but actually punctuated correctly, so it's no longer a run-on. Sally and Michael went to the store and they bought several items. When it was time to leave, a giant gorilla jumped in front of their cashier and started to moonwalk all over the counters. They laughed so much, and they almost peed their pants. There are many ways to fix a run-on. I will show you 3. They involve a period, this little dot at the end of most sentences, okay? They also involve a comma and something that we call a conjunction, and a semicolon. Or some of you like to think of it as the winky smiley face. Now, in order to fix a run-on sentence with a period, what you have to do is you have to identify the different sentences within that one giant sentence. Well, I know that I love bats is a sentence, and I know that he likes to eat them is a sentence. So this shows me that these are 2 sentences that are combined incorrectly. So what I need to do is I need to put a period between the 2 sentences. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a period there, and I'm going to change the H in he to a capital H because I know that all sentences start with a capital letter. So here we go. I love bats, period. He likes to eat them. Now, in order to fix a run-on sentence with a comma and a conjunction, what you need to do is, again, you need to identify the 2 sentences within that run-on sentence. And then, once you do that, you simply put a comma behind the first sentence, and then you throw in a conjunction, like and. Just really quickly, some of the easiest conjunctions for you to remember are and, but, and or. Okay? So, it would read like this. I love bats, and he likes to eat them. Now, the last and final way to correct a run-on sentence is using the semicolon. So once again, I identify my 2 sentences within one sentence, joined incorrectly, so therefore it's a run-on. And right in between those 2 sentences, I put in a semicolon. The semicolon goes right next to the last word of the previous sentence, and so it will look like that. I love bats. He likes to eat them. However, you must realize that in order to use a semicolon, the sentence ideas must relate. So clearly, loving bats, okay, and he liking to eat bats are related ideas. Thanks for listening.